It's that time once again. I hope you guys are having a nice Sunday. In the evening, it's chill. These are the last 3 packs from my Floodborn box. So I figure let's end the week with the end of the box. We can went by too fast. I would like another day. Yeah. Trigger. I'm gonna go to bed. George. Clogsworth. Ooh, that's a good one. Probably like $5, but that's a good one. Nice, Madame and Lucifer. Discard cat. Ugh, I love that art. I want one of those playmats, but they're like I don't know, out of print already, and they're like 90 or $100. That seems excessive for a playmat, but that art is so cool. Jafar. Sorcerer's Spellbook. Tuck tuck. I'm stuck. All right, last pack. Last pack magic, maybe. We'll see. All right. One more. Blue. Nice. Pinocchio. Nice. Madame. Always a good one. Radigan. And Basil. There we go. Wraps up a box. Have a good evening, guys.